Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Well, I had something else planned for today, so I'm sorry for the lack of what's been going on, but we have breaking news, obviously. I'm sure you've heard, but the reason the market is down is pro-Trump mob storms US Capitol as armed standoff takes place outside the House chamber to protest the election.
They are telling members of Congress to shelter in place. They are evacuating members of the House and Senate from doing their constitutionally prescribed duties. There are fights. There are people breaching police lines. There are people climbing up walls. Have you ever seen anything like this?
No, and I don't think anybody else has either. In fact, I know they haven't, not in the United States. I mean, maybe in some third world country. But, you know, here you got a situation where the president's stirring the pot. He's got his allies in there. They have unleashed something that they cannot control. And they need to understand that. Now, control can be regained. And again, I'm telling you now, it's not going to be pretty. And if I was there, I guarantee you, we would do whatever we had to do to get them the hell out of there. But, you know, it never should have gotten this far. Never should have gotten this far.
President Trump he tweeted a comment, not what I think you would want if you were the police chief right now. He wrote, "Please support our Capitol Police and law enforcement. They are truly on the side of our country. Stay peaceful." It's odd that he said stay peaceful given the fact that this crowd is not peaceful. So there's no way that they could stay peaceful. They have already stormed the Capitol. What would you want President Trump to tweet right now to de-escalate
What I want the president to do is shut the hell up and get out of the way. I mean, the guy is like, he's like cancer. You know, how much more can you give me? You know, at some point in time, if he's not going to do the right thing and tell them to get the hell out of the Capitol and act like they've got some sense, then just shut up. He stirred them up. He got this whole thing going. This is as close to a coup attempt as this country has ever seen. That's what you're looking at, folks. That is what you're looking at. And it's absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And a lot of people are responsible for this.
First attempt at protester club is...
This is looking at inside, or look at this, these protesters are inside...
in order to protect liberty, you have to destroy liberty. And then start shouting out Enrico.
Statuary Hall. Right now, you see the statues. This is a moment I never saw in my life. These individuals just rushed through security. They are inside Statuary Hall. This is a legendary place where all of us who covered Capitol Hill, it's hard to believe what we're seeing right there. They're just walking through. Where are Capitol Police? It's an awful situation. They're having a good time in Statuary Hall. Jake Tapper, I don't know about you, but this is an incredibly dangerous situation that's unfolding here in the United States.
It's stunning, Wolf. It's absolutely stunning, and it's quite frankly dangerous. President Trump could stop this with one tweet, but...
I'm not going to give these guys any more airtime. If you have been following my What If series, you will see that I mentioned Trump not vacating the White House, or Trump supporters protesting and causing an issue like this, causing a crash. The market has tanked. However, I think it will recover. I think tomorrow will open red, and today we'll close red and we'll open red tomorrow as well. I think we will recover. They have called for the National Guard. Now, I don't know what Trump hopes to get from this. As they said, it is like a coup attempt. You cannot claim to support. I am not a political person when it comes to American politics, but you know, I just care about my shares and my money and that, and I also care about what's right and wrong. you cannot spend your whole platform on getting into the White House on what is right and wrong and how people have campaigned, like the Clintons, and how they've run their campaigns, and then you cannot claim to be defending the rights of the office of the American people and upholding the office of the presidency, and then go and do something like this, instigate the people into fighting for you. When you're the president of the United States, you're supposed to stand up for the American people. You're not meant to instigate the American people to stand up for you. That is the idea. The strong stand up for the weak, those who cannot fight for themselves. And that is what America was built on. That is what England was built on. That is what all of Western society was built on. And that is what makes these countries great. Now, right now, these people and this man is going against everything that the office of the presidency stands for and everything that America stands for. Now, I would like to know your comments and thoughts. Hi guys, little plug here. Don't forget to hit that lovely like button and smash that sexy subscribe button. A lot sexier than me, trust me, ask the wife. Don't forget to comment in the box below. If you're looking for a free trading platform which to trade your stocks and shares, why not check out the links in the description below. Freetrade are doing a promotion at the moment where if you sign up before the end of the year, you'll be entered into a free draw for what they call a stock hamper, where you can earn a Shopify, a Nike and a load of other stocks. So why not? Doesn't cost anything. Just click the link, deposit £100, £100 and start investing. Anyway, let's get back to the video. You're aware that Workhorse received an order for over 6,000 of his electric vans from Pride. Always spoke about that before. According to Motley Fool, it's, as said before, how it makes valuation fair value regardless of the USPS contract, and Motley Fool has come out and said how it's a bigger order than they expected to get for the whole of 2021 without the USPS contract. So this just goes to show you just what I think. Now, we spoke about Tokopedia and Bridgetown Holdings before. Now, Tokopedia is undecided on merger, and they may on spec merger and may opt for IPO. And Kcac and Tokopedia are in $18 billion merger talks for Indonesia's biggest deal. Now this could go one of two ways. If they merge, they may not need Bridgetown Holdings. However, if they merge, they may want Bridgetown Holdings money to catapult them. If they do, it will be an even better deal for Bridgetown Holdings. Now, I hope the protest on Capitol Hill hasn't affected your shares too much. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe. Like button and subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the box below. I'll see you in the next video.